We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning friends. Today we are going to solve the problem of triangle plane. Okay, let's see the question. Here in question given that a thin 30 degree 60 degree set square has its longest edge ATM in VP. Okay, here plane is raised in VP. Okay, so here I write down first stage for VP, second stage for phi, and third stage for theta. Okay, and incline at 45 degree to HP, so theta is equal to 45 degree. Its surface makes an angle of 60 degree with VP, so phi is equal to 60 degree. Draw its projection. Okay, so here plane is resting on VP, so we draw the set square on vertical plane. Okay, so first I draw one reference line at here. Okay, here plane is resting on VP, so we draw the set square on vertical plane and it's resting on longest side. Okay, if we seen in previous problem, then in previous problem given that the set square resting in shorter side. Okay, so here we take AB as a shorter side and we draw shorter side on left hand side. Okay, in this question given that the plane is resting on longest side. Okay, so student makes here mistake that they take BC as a longest side. Okay, but in set square its hypotenuse is always longest side. Okay, here given that the longest side is ATM. Okay, so length of hypotenuse is ATM. Okay, so here first I draw one line of ATM side. Okay, this is the hypotenuse of set square and plane is resting on this hypotenuse. Okay, I give the name at here A dash B dash. Okay, now I take the angle 60 degree at here and draw one line Okay, now I take 30 degree angle at here and draw one line from point B dash at angle of 30 degree. Okay, so intersection of these two lines give me the point C dash. Okay, so after joining B dash, C dash, A dash, C dash, I get my front view for the first step. Okay, now for drawing the top view, I just simply take the projection. So here I get my point A, B, and here I get my point C. Okay, here B point is hidden point because we seen from the top, then B dash point is hidden point. Okay, so this line AC give me the top view for the first stage. Okay, now let's come to the second. In second stage given that surface makes an angle 60 degree. Okay, so we draw this line AC at angle of 60 degree. Okay, this angle made with the VP, so we represent this angle on horizontal plane. Okay, so for that first I draw one line at angle of 60 degree in horizontal plane. Okay, here plane is resting on side AB, so here I mark point A and B. Okay, now I measure this distance AC. Now I take A as a center and draw one arc at here So here I get my point C. So after joining A point and C point, I get my top view for the second stage. Now for drawing the front view, I take the projection from all points. First I start with the point A. I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point A dash. Okay. Similarly for B point, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point P dash. Now for point C, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point C dash. Okay. So after joining this point, B dash, C dash, C dash, A dash, A dash, B dash. Okay, I get my front view for the second stage. Let's come to the third stage. In third stage, given that longest side inclined at 45 degree to HP. Okay, so theta is equal to 45 degree and it's mixed by the longest side, means its hypotenuse makes an angle 45 degree. Okay, so before drawing the front view, I just check that the length of hypotenuse is constant or not in both stages. Okay, here length of hypotenuse A dash B dash is 80 mm. Here length of A dash B dash is 80 mm. Okay, so its length is constant, so we're not required to find the apparent angle. Okay, so first I draw one line at here at angle of 45 because hypotenuse makes an angle 45 to HP. Okay, here angle made with the HP, so we represent this angle on vertical plane. Okay, so for that first I draw one line at angle of 45 degree. Okay, now I take A dash B dash is radius. Okay, this length is 80 mm, so I take A dash B dash as a radius and I draw one arc at here on this line. Okay, because A dash B dash line is inclined at 45 degree. Okay, so here I get my point B dash and at here I get my point A dash. Okay, now for getting this C dash, I measure this distance. Okay, now I take B as a center and draw one arc at here. Okay, now I take A dash C dash as a radius and I draw one arc at here. Okay, so intersection of these 2 points give me my point C dash. Okay, so I just simply connect B dash with C dash, A dash with C dash, and A dash B dash. So here I get my front view for the third stage. Okay, now for drawing the top view, I take the projection from all point. I start from point A. For point A, I take the projection from A dash and from here. So here I get my point A. For point B, I take the projection from here and from here. Okay, so here I get my point B. For point C, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point C. Okay, now I just simply connect these 3 points. Okay, so in this way I complete the top view for the third stage. Okay, so in this way I draw all 3 stages of this problem. Okay, so before ending I just check that the side or point on which plane is resting is always on reference line or not. Okay, here this plane is resting on AB side. Okay, so here I just check that point A and B is on reference line or not. Okay, here in first stage point A and B are on reference line. In second stage, point A and B are on reference line, and in third stage, point A and B are on reference line. Okay, so here I complete this problem, and here I conclude this lecture. Okay, thank you.